Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen meals with Mills. In this episode I am making a mango and tapioca pearls dessert. So these are the ingredients. I will also have it available on this side of the screen or in the description box below, so please check it out. It's mango season starting here in Australia, so we are starting to have our mangoes and I am using a fresh one for this dessert. So first of all, I am going to prepare our jelly, mango flavour jelly, according to the instructions on the box. So I will empty sachets into a container and I will add hot water first. Okay, give it a good mix. Let the jelly powder dissolve completely before we add the cold water. So I am following the instructions on how to do it in it's on the box. Once that's done and fully dissolved, I will add our cold water. I'm going to put the lid on and put it in the fridge and let it sit for up to 4 hours. The next stage of our recipe, I have our tapioca pearls. I am following the instruction on how to cook it. The instructions are right at the back of the packet. So I have got 10 cups of boiling water and I am going to add about a cup full of the pearls. Slowly add it to the pot, stir it lightly, and it should start to float very soon. And then once they're all done, we will turn the oven on medium to low heat and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. So add a bit more. Okay, give it a few more minutes and then we will drain our tapioca pearls. So I have drained the water. I'm now going to add it straight into an icy cold water. Okay, so we will leave it for about a few minutes, and in the meantime we will prepare our other ingredients. And we will start with cutting our mangoes. If you don't have the fresh ones, you can use the ones in the can, but I like to use the fresh ones, especially when it's available in season. Jelly I prepared earlier on. I am going to go with my knife and just cut through our jelly. We will go with our spatula and we will scoop it up to separate them. Hope you can see it clearly. So I'm going to scoop it in our bowl. Next, we'll be adding our mango pulp, our evaporated milk and condensed milk. Give the can a shake, and I will start with 1 cup of our mango pulp. Add it to the bowl and just give it a stir. Full can of evaporated milk. I'm going to add our condensed milk. I'm going to start with half a cup first. Give it a stir. pearls. I'm going to drain the water, add about a teaspoon of honey just to loosen the pearls, and then we will add it to the bowl. Just add 1 teaspoon of honey, give it a good stir, and we will add it to our dessert. Can you see those chunky mangoes in there? I can't wait to taste this. And our jelly. Taste. Yum. It's not too sweet at all. Feel free to add more condensed milk if you want for more sweetness. I like the mango and the chewy taste of the tapioca pearls. I don't need to add any more mango. Oh, it's just perfect. But I think I will add more milk. So I'll add more of the condensed milk. Give it a good stir. Give it another taste. Nice. I'm going to dish one for me, and then I'll put this in the fridge to let it cool. It's going to be nice with ice in it as well. But that's our mango and tapioca pearl dessert with jelly. It's also optional that you can add sago if you want. You cook the sago exactly the way you cook the tapioca pearls. But for me, I'm just going to use mango, jelly, and the pearls, and all the other ingredients. Add some ice to my cup, and then I'll dish some there. So that's our quick dessert, everyone. Our mango and tapioca pearls with jelly dessert. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Like I said, it's available in the description box below or on the side of the screen. Thank you for cooking and for tuning in. I hope you look after yourself out there and reach out to everyone. Stay safe. Sending love from Mills and family. See you again in the next episode. Bye for now.